This mini Bahay Kubo is an air-conditioned ready Bahay Kubo, and it is only maximum for 2 people. For instance, for a father and son, or for a newly married couple with no kids yet. That's the area where an air condition to be placed. As you see, the material used is mostly bamboo trees. Let's have a look inside. And inside, all gaps and holes are covered with plywood since an air condition to be used inside. Look at the plywood in both sides of the roof. This mini air-conditioned ready Bahay Kubo is for sale, and those who are interested can contact us through our Instagram or Facebook page.